This footage is taken from an actual UK driving test. On this test, the candidate was approaching a roundabout and was told to take the third exit right at the roundabout. The candidate was in the right-hand lane. As they neared the roundabout, the right-hand lane split into another 2 lanes, with no road markings to dictate which lane to use. The candidate thought that, as they were in the right-hand lane, it was okay to use either of the 2 lanes, so kept to the one on the left, as the highway code states that drivers should keep left where possible. They entered the roundabout, turning right from the middle lane. The examiner gave them a serious fault. They should have been in the furthermost right lane on the approach. There were 3 exits. The left-hand lane was a left turn only. As the right lane split into 2 lanes, it is assumed that the middle lane is to go ahead, and the right lane is to turn right. If in doubt, if there are no markings to tell you otherwise, use the right-hand lane if you are turning right at a roundabout. Like and subscribe for more driving tips.